Hey folks, welcome back to this mini series of winding the clock back, getting back to basics, talking about the core principles of healing eczema naturally, permanently, from the inside out. If you missed part one, please go and watch that here. This series is all around detoxification, nutrition, and sustainability. And in this video, we're going to break down that triangle a little bit more. If you are a subscriber to this channel, you will undoubtedly have heard me talk about the principle of detoxification, nutrition, and sustainability, this triangle. And a balance of all three is what it takes specifically to your condition to get you through this process, to get you through mentally, emotionally, physically, chemically. To get you through the process, you need a balance of these three. But the first phase is the detoxification phase. So everything that you do at the very start is all about detoxification. You need to learn how to get your body to give up the toxins that it's been deep storing for a long time. And I use a number of different techniques with clients to achieve this. If you don't want to coach with anybody and you're ready to get started on your own journey, then I encourage you to watch more videos on this channel because I've talked lots about detoxification in the past. It includes, but not limited to, things like fasting, doing enemas, sweating, using saunas, using dry brushes. All of these sorts of things aid detoxification and effectual elimination from the body. Why is this so important? Because if you don't get rid of dead tissue, diseased tissue, things that are not helpful for your body moving forwards, it's only going to stand in the way of the progress that you're trying to make with your skin. The detoxification phase will vary in length from person to person. This is not quite a one-size-fits-all model. It's a framework that we build around, but you've got to build your own program bespoke to you, bespoke to what you've been putting your own body through, what sort of drugs you've been using, what you need to detoxify from, what you've been harboring up here in your mind. A big part of the detox process is emotional freedom. And so it could last you a month, it could last you 6 months. It just depends on your particular scenario. And once you're deep into the detoxification phase, you'll be starting to think about the nutrition phase, which is the next phase of this natural internal eczema healing process. The nutrition phase, as you can imagine, is all about food. And in a lot of ways, the nutrition phase of eczema healing reintroduces food to you. I know that sounds crazy, but what you've thought of as food up until now may be completely different as you take on a new mindset, as you've detoxified your body, as your taste buds have reset themselves. Your outlook on food is going to change from this process if you do it properly, because not only will your taste buds change, you'll also get different enjoyments from the feeling of eating different foods, how your body responds, how your digestion feels, how clean you feel, the energy you have as you start to take on new activities. These sorts of things are going to shift as you go through this process. So nutrition, here at eczemahealing.org, we focus on a whole foods, plant-based way of eating because those foods are the easiest to digest and the highest water content, highest in fiber, all things which are conducive to effectual digestion, which in turn gives you the scope for healing your skin. But the specific foods that you will eat will differ from the next person because they've got a slightly different makeup. However, as a rule of thumb, if you're eating whole plant-based foods and you're eating a variety as you go further into the nutrition phase, you're probably going to be on the right track, and you'll just have to find the tweaks here and there as the weeks go by to figure out what works specifically for your digestive system. The sustainability aspect of the triangle is all about a balance between the other two, between detoxification and nutrition, because one might say the ultimate detox is a fast, a water fast, where you consume nothing at all and you let your body heal, flush, cleanse. However, that of course is not sustainable because we need to eat food. We need to give our bodies energy so that we can get on with our day, get on with our lives. And so we need to find that balance of nutrition and detoxification. And so We also don't want to go too far the other way, where we're trying to eat as much as possible all the nutrient dense foods, smash them in, because then we're going to overtax our digestive systems again and undo some of the work that we did in the detoxification phase of the program. So we have to find a balance, and that is what the sustainability is all about. So sustainability really is a theme that follows through both phases, and from person to person it will differ. Some people want to go full bore into everything, just get it done, get detoxification happening, and they're happy to go through any detoxification symptoms, withdrawal symptoms. They've got the mental strength to do that. Other people need to take things one at a time, just build it up slowly over the weeks to reduce the detoxification effect and have the most energy and wherewithal to get on with life as normal. If you need help deciding where you are in this triangle, consider setting up a consultation either with myself or Rebecca, or get on the Eczema Healing Workshop, where you'll get direct access to us both, and we will help you to find your way through this maze, find out your detoxification, nutrition and sustainability program. That's it for today. You are free to go. Let me know what you think of these videos, and let me know what you want to hear about in the next videos. The Q&A session, as usual, will be on Wednesday. I hope to see you then.